Hello, beautiful people. Welcome to a super... Oh, wait. No. Forget about that. First things first. Shake. Protein shake, more specifically. Coffee. Which needs a quick stir right there. Just to feel the aroma, you know? Woo! Ah! Man, I love it. And we have water. But wait a second. I also have... right over here... one exercise day. I'm super excited to see how can I create this program. I'm extremely excited about this one, and let's go right in. I have to write a program that displays a random password. That's it. So based on the user input, he will choose from this list of letters, numbers, and symbols. Actually, we will choose from, we'll write the code to choose letters, numbers, and symbols. Okay, now the thing is that we have two levels. An easy level, order is not randomized, and here order of characters is randomized. Right? So here, as you can see, it has, for instance, if the input is 4 letters, 2 symbols, and 2 numbers, we have 4 letters in the beginning, 2 symbols, followed by 2 numbers. But on the hard level, with the same amount of inputs, we have the first one is a letter, the second one is a symbol, it's a number, 2 letters, number, symbol, number, randomly. Perfect. Okay. First, let's do something. Let me increase the size of the font first. Okay. Right, it's the pseudocode. I leave that like it is. Let's create some charts. Right. Just an overall idea of the program. And how can we resolve it? Right, so we have to... You know what? We have 3 lists. I'll say there's numbers, symbols. From each one, I have to create input for int there's numbers and symbols. I just make a big picture with what I have to do. So that is what I'm doing here. Nothing special. Right? After I take the inputs, we start to do the magic. Okay, so the inputs will come from will come in numbers, which means that we have to target the lists by indexes. I'll just say your general target index, and wait a second, we have one more before the end. I have one more rectangle, which is display password. And word like so. Okay, that was a super general idea. In pseudocode, I'll do exactly the same. Just a general idea, right? Okay, we have the list. I'll say just list one, which is letters. Let's copy paste it 2 more times. Is numbers and symbols. List number 3, 2 respectively. After that we have the int for input, and I'll open again the parentheses and I'll say letter. Copy paste again 2 times just to change numbers and symbols. Okay, so from the first challenge, okay, let's place a comment and say we have the white. All right, let's say over, wait. Okay, let's say over here we have the lists to choose from. Here I have the inputs into ints for list access, and I'll say here a letter generator. Okay, right, we have to create four loops. We have to work with 4 loops. Why? Because based on the input, we can loop based on the input in the list letters or numbers or symbols. That means, let's say for letter in range from 0 and the number of letters. Okay, let me think. So it starts at 0 if, for example, I have to say here -1. If, for example, the user wants 4 letters, yeah, I have to for each item, yes, it looks okay to me. Wait a second, I have to make, if we don't randomize, I can create a list and I just speak out loud, guys. I just speak out loud, even though my words are not connecting or my ideas are not connecting, is because I think out loud. Maybe I process some ideas in my head and I don't speak, but I use certain words or certain, I don't know, I think at certain things to try to resolve the problem. So bear with me. So for each item from the range of, no, this is not good because we don't need range. It's just a certain number. Okay, let me think a bit. For each item in, yes, I know, in number of letters. So for each number that the user inputs, is number of letters is -1. We can do that in here. Let's create a new list. I'll say list 1 just to test this. Let's create an empty list and I will say list _1 dot append letter -1. I want to see if this works. And I'll create here, just one sec. Wait, you know what? Let's copy this and go into the code, import random, right? So we have what we have to do. Okay, let's create some comments in the actual code. Even though we know what things do in the program, I like to make comments, very easy comments about everything, right? Even on import random, we just say random choice for hard option. I don't think if we use it for the first one, I don't think we need it, even though I use in range. Wait, no, that's not right. Anyway, let's continue. Let's continue. Lists for letters, numbers, and symbols. Here we have greeting message. Here we have int inputs for accessing the list. Wait, no. Let's say int inputs for user choice. Let's say that. And let me go here, and after that, let's say letter picker. Okay, I'll say letter picker. No worries, no problems, no problems. Okay, so I just created a list. Let me see. I created an empty list for each item in numbers of letters, which will be a number. Wait, no. We have to append in letters. Wait, in letter 1, that's, wait. In list 1, append I'll just say letter. And I will not indent that. List 1. So for each letter in number of letters, let me comment these two. Let's see what happens now. Int object is not iterable. In number of letters. Let me see what happens. Error on line 19. Can I do this? Letters? Number of letters. Can I do this? List append takes exactly one argument, 0 given. Okay, so let's try to see what happened. So how many letters would you like in your password? And I said 2, but it actually displays the letter C from the index number 2. Right, so for each item in letters, which I activated by the number of index, add each item. Okay. 23 is X. Okay, so this is the solution. I just have to change some things. That's it. Right, so it displays me based on what I wrote here. It gives me the item from that index. That's all right. And I want to add each one in this list. So I want to display them. For example, if I want let me just check for a second. Append. This is quite obvious, and I think the syntax is right for append. Right over here. Add items at the end of your list. So for each item in letters, number of letters. Yeah, dude, this is right. So in the empty list, add item to the end of the list. Let me see if I make it here. What happens? An indentation. In line 21, an indent does not match any outer indentation level. Hmm. Interesting. Interesting. Okay, we have to think about this one differently. Okay. Let's go again. If I say 2 letters from the input, I want 2 letters from letters based on the number. Add one at the end of my list. Dot append each item. Okay. Let me try something. I'll take this one. Actually, no, it's created. Right. Now, let's use that. And I will say symbols dot append. And I'll say, let's say, right, print symbols. Okay, I'll try one more thing. Let me think about it. Let me think about it. For and in range 1, 3. Append and print symbols. Yep, that is what I want. That's exactly what I want. So for each item from there, for each item in there, what happens if I say only this? But I have to activate it by an index. It will not work like that. Wait, I have the wait. So it gives me the so for letter, yeah, for each item in letters, yeah, it will just, of course, if I say here, for example, anything, it will add that to the end. In a list, you can place any data, right? Let's see. 3. So changes each. For each items in there, add 1. Yeah, add 3. It will change everything. Okay. This will add a letter for every so fun to play with code. Yeah, and this one will display the same list again. Okay. I will create letter underscore string equals empty string. I want to use concatenation so I can add them. So this is an empty string. We let's delete that. Let's delete that as well. La 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 la. Okay. I want characters. So from letters. In let's try it like this. In range for each number. So we have numbers append. Here will be letter and will be string dot. Wait a second, because we have an empty string now. We have dot. So we have each. Okay, this 0 to my input will have to add me numbers. Print letter string. If I say here 3, it has to show me 0, 1, 2. 0 and 1. Ah, I say -1, of course. Let's change that. 0, 1, and 2. Okay. Right. Now we have to go over here. Instead of numbers, I need number of letters. In range of, let me see. Can I say a letter at the position 0 and so from number. Okay, let's try this. Letters at the position number of letters. Just want to see what happens now. Letter string append. Let's see just what happens, because string object cannot be interpreted as an integer. Da 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 da. I'm loving it. Choice, this is what we have to use. To randomize the list. This is interesting. No, this doesn't work. No. Int with strings. I have to convert. How can I write for each item in? So this will work with numbers. For each number that the user will input, I want to access letters at the input letter, and this. Okay, letter list dot append the letter. Let's see what happens. Letter list. Int object not iterable. Okay. Mm. Okay. So for each one, access by index. Oh no, this is not right, because it will display me the entire list, will go for the entire item. Okay, it will be in range. It has to be in range from 0, and the number of items. Let's just go like that, and after that I can figure out. So for each one of that, okay, let's see what happens. 0, 1, 2. Okay, that's what I want, but I want to for letter, which will be a number. Let me see. Letter, but is from letters. This, yes, that result I want to append it to. Is that what I want? Let me see. Is this what I want? So for each number over there. So loop me for the number of times from 0 to letters, and do this. Inside letters at the position that is given from 0 to the position that is given, that will equal yes, and append. Wait a second, bro. Let me see. Let me see. All right. Perfect. This is it. Yeah, man. That was so obvious. Okay. But it's not over. But it's not over, you guys. Let's say if I want 69 letters, Jesus. It's out of range. I'll say 5. We have 5. Okay. Right. We have letter list. We have to do this. 1. And oh, let's not forget about the indentation. Okay, so for here we'll have number. And down here we have symbols from ranges. I like that. I like that. Append. What's the numbers? Yes. And here we have symbols. Symbols. Everything will be added to this list. Let's print our result and see. Okay, let's uncomment those. Stop and run. Yes, I need 2 for everything. 2, 2, 2. Right. Int line 26. Int line 26. Int line 26. Okay, let me drink a bit of shake. Okay. Okay, let's go again. 2, 2, 2. That's it. I did it. Right? The easy. Where is the. Man, so beautiful exercise. Order, not randomize. The easy level. Display me a password based on 444. Right. Now we have to display this list. We have to make it a string. Okay, for the final answer, I will say, wait a second, let's rearrange a bit our code because it looks all over the place. I'll paste that there and that there. I'll say here symbol picker number picker and okay, result. I'll say final result. If this is the final result, I'll make a f string because I want to display it beautifully, which means your your password looks like this. No, this is too easy. This is too like, I have to make it more fun here. So let's see. Wait, you're tired to use your birth date and your name in every password. I don't know if this is right. Am I right? This is your strong. This is your brand new password. Right, so that should display the final result. Let's leave it there. This is not the final result because I have to convert the list into a string. We have, let's say actually final result, let's say password underscore. Actually, I can say simple underscore password will equal empty string. Let's leave it like that for now because I have to transform a list into a string. So we have to display work with letter list. We have to make it into a string. But I don't know how I can do that, to be honest. Can I do it like this to change the type into a string? Will that help me actually? Yeah, exactly. That would be, you cannot use append with a string. What if I say string is equal with okay, meaning that here each item from that thing I did it. Booyah. I did it, guys. Let me rerun it. So let's say for now I want one letter, I want 4 symbols and 1 number. Okay, I did not did it. 3 displays 3. Okay, let me comment this and let me go again. 1, 3, 1. It will not display numbers. Okay, for each letter in the range of 0, and symbols. Let's go again. 1, 3, 1. Okay. Okay. So for each number from the range of 0 to the number of letters, letter list, append letters with letter. Yeah, but I have to print to see if this works, right? Letter underscore list, right? Let's go again. 1, 3, 1. 1 with 3 numbers. Oh, symbols. Symbols is my next one. Okay. Right, let's see. So if letters is 1. No, that's good. Okay, symbols 3 and 1 will be letter, symbol, 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 and number. Right, let's uncomment this and let's run again. 1, 3, 1. Hello, gorgeous. We have the list here and we have the final result. Right, now let's work and place the final result right over here, and we'll say here string underscore result. Let's uncomment that and let's place it over here. Let's not print the list. Let's go like this. How many letters would you like in your password? Well, let me think. I would say 6. How many symbols would you like? Oh my, symbols! Well, those have to be important, right? I'll go 6. How many numbers? I'm not good at math. I don't like the big numbers. I'll go to 1 number. Okay, you're tired to use your birth date. Is this how you spell your birth date? Is not a 1 word? Anyway, you're tired to use your birth date. Actually, let's check that. Yep. It's 1 word. Come on. Birth date. Let's run again. How many letters would you like in your password? Well, now I would like, if you ask me again, I would like for 6 letters. How many symbols? Dude, they are tricky. I go 4. And numbers? I don't like math, as I said. I love math! Let's go 10! You're tired to use your birth date and your name in every password, am I right? This is your brand new password. So we have 6 letters, let's check. 3 with 3. That's correct. Symbols, we have 4, we need 4. 2 and 2. And 10 numbers, starting at 0, we have 1, 9, plus 0, which are 10 numbers. Boom! We did it. But wait a second, we have a hard challenge. Let's see. The order of characters is randomized, so they are not in order, right? As you saw there, letters after the symbols and after the numbers. They are randomized. Okay, so what do we know from this? Actually, we have another comment here. I will say string result. We know that this works. We can use this to random the result. And I think I have to use choice for that. Right here. We'll pick random choices from a list. This is great. Now, how can I implement that? Random choice. Okay, what if I say... Whoa, wait a second. Wait a second, brother. What if I say, check this out, random dot choice, and I choose the list. Letter list. Let me see what happens now. I'll say 222. Oh, okay. It gives me only one. Okay, that means that I let me see. I have to use it in a for loop. Okay, let me place it down here because I want to see. Okay, this is okay. Inside here, I need a list. Okay. Letter list. Okay, let me see if I go like here and here. What happens now? Okay. Okay, so that means that we don't start at position 0. We have to make a random here, a random number here. Wait, no, that's right. That's good. From letters. Random choice from letters. Okay, but append the... Let me see what happens. Yeah, it's the same. Pretty much the same. Random choice from letters will give me random results from here. That's good, we want that. But okay, so for item, it means that we have to change this because we need random Let me see. Integers. Random integers. Rand in range of for item in. Can I make a random here? Random dot rand int with just values. Including values. Okay, I'll say 0 and -1. Let me think if this is right. No, it's not right. No. Item in. Random rand number from 0. No, it's not 0. I have to include values. How can I create a random? Yeah, I have to place a range. Okay, let's just say 10 because I want to test if this works. That's it. 333 18. Int object is not iterable. Int object it's not iterable. In letters. No. We have to go back to. Let me think. I just know that I have to choose to go with choice. This one, random choice letters. That so random choice. Okay, let's see how random choice works. Let's see how random choice works. Okay, well, give me one from letters. Let me uncomment this. What's up with this? Yeah, this is good. So for each number from the range of 0 to the number of letters. Wait. Okay, let me check this. Oh no, because it will give me just. Yeah. Is not defined. Letter list. Number of letters. Come on, man. Empty. Hmm. Oh man. I'm so glad when I still have coffee to drink. Okay, we can do this, guys. We can do this, no problem. Let's see. Okay, I know that. Create here. Random choice letters will equal randomized. Okay. Now, again, based on the user inputs, for every number in there, append that. Wait a second, I have shuffle as well. Let me see. I have this shuffle option as well. Let me see what that does. Actually, let me shuffle. Randomly picks items from a list. Randomly picks item from a list. Okay. Okay. What happens if I say here? Say list. Live 8 with base 10. On line 12. Here. Okay, it says none. What if I copy that and I paste it there? Yeah, invalid syntax. Random shuffle. Um, I think about something else now. Wait a second. So check this out. If we have the code running, I can actually I have to display string result. Let me go again. Bam bam bam. Right. Check this out. I don't have to randomize the result. I can randomize the first letter in the first place. Right? Yes. So for each input, let me see. Choice. Randomly picks items from a list. Let me see where is the choice. Right here, random choice. Will pick random choices from the list. Ah, boy. So for letters in the range of dot choice from letters. Um, okay, let's see what will display now. Let's delete this. And symbols. Okay, let me see what happens now. The same thing. Okay. ABC. Okay, ABC. Right? No problem. Wait. Okay. Right? So will be Okay. Random dot choice will take the argument. We need to place an argument a list. We have it now. Four letter. I know there is something with random choice. Can I random choice letters? Oh yeah. Oh yeah. For each item in that range. Append that item randomly. How about that? Yeah, okay. Random, okay. Random symbol. Actually, I have to target the and numbers. Okay, this will give me random results. Alright. But we still have two letters in the beginning, two symbols and two numbers after. Even though they are random, I want to make a random result, a random input from the entire thing. Okay, first let me do this. Okay, we have a list. Let me print right over here. Print me the letter list, but before that we have a random dot choice list. All right, print me this. Okay, it gives me positions, gives me random characters from that. What if I say shuffle? It's none. Randomly picks items from a list. Randomly, random shuffle. Shuffle. Random shuffle. I have to random choice. Okay, I think I'll complicate things a bit. Even though that's not good, I just want to see if I can resolve this by doing this way. I will go with... Okay, so we have inputs, which means I'll just create C. No, let's say inputs will equal inputs will equal number of letters symbols plus number of numbers. Okay, this will give me inputs 3317 should be displayed. Perfect. This is number 7. Okay. Number of okay, 4, 4, 4, 4, 4, and 4. It looks good, right? gives me random. Right now, everything I have to convert the result to a string. Okay. Okay, let's do it. Wait, no, in last list, right? Last list. So for each from there, last list with equal plus equal string. This is the final result, guys. Easy right, easy right. Let's go again. 3, 3, 3. Wait, 3, 3, 3. So we have 3, 3. Wait, is this right? 3. Yeah, 3 and 3. Right, so how many letters? 3 letters. We have we don't have 3 letter. Wait, we don't have 1 X X and C symbols. We have 1 2 3 4 5 and numbers. I have 6, only 1. Okay, this is not good. This is not good. It displays me random things, but it does not respect the numbers. So this thing, first of all, just adds the number. It doesn't know the input. Okay, let me think. Okay, how can we know? Yeah, this is just, it's a general thing. Just gives me the, yeah. Okay. Okay, so this is not good. I can erase this as well. This is not good. That's not good, boys. We have our random. Yeah, we have our random thing here. But it's not displayed randomly. Ba-da-bum, ba-ba-dum, ba-ba-da-ba-ba-ba-bow, ba-ba-bow, ba-ba-bow, bow, ba-da-ba-bow, ba-ba-bow, ba-ba-bow, ba-ba-da-ba-bow. Da-da-dun down, da-da-dun down, da-da-dun down, da-da-dun down, 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 down. Down, da-da-dun, dun, dun, da-da-dun, da-dun, da-da-dun, dun, dun, dee-da-da-da-da-dee-dee-dee-dee-dee-dee-dee-dee-dee. Da-da-da-down, how can I take the letter, dum 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 dum. We can randomize this result, but doesn't work. Print random trace. Actually, yeah, it will print. Wait a second. It will print me Random choice, but from there it's a random one character. I have to display the entire list. We have a random thing here. That is hmm. Mm-hmm. It's not displaying the right number of random choice from letter list. Bam. 3, 3, 3. Okay. 7. See? It shows me. Of course, dude, because from this he chooses randomly what he wants to display. That's why. Exactly. That is why, because he chooses randomly from that list what he wants to display. Yeah, that is why he's not good. Yeah. But I have to make... Wait a second. What if I say random 333 and support the operand for plus random shuffle. Line 38. Known. B. 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 Random shuffle letters. Random shuffle letters. Random shuffle letters. Random shuffle letters. For each item that is there. Non-type. 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 What do you mean, no type? I have to make positions here. Okay, I just want to see if this works. I'll say 0. Let's just say... Let me see. Yeah, print me. Wait, no, print me. We have to activate positions. Okay. Okay, guys, let's shuffle this. Okay, guys, I brought reinforcements. A bit of sweet. This should be very easy. Because I should random choice. Oh boy. I have the solution in my head. I feel that I have it. And I think I went in the right direction, but after that I changed. Hmm. Shuffle doesn't work. Choice doesn't work. I mean, it works. Wait. Why is that non-type? Hmm. Oh man. Okay, let's go back to the beginning. So I get two inputs. I need to shuffle or the inputs. Okay, now I'm thinking, how can I access random numbers in the list? Which means letters. Right over here we have I need to go from the position. Yeah, I need random numbers here. So or I can say random dot choice. Let's say G. Oh no, let's say no, wait. I don't need this. This doesn't make any sense, so yes, at the position G will give me random. Random. Okay. Good. Now I have to use this one 2 times. This is exactly what I did here. I used it 2 times. See. Let me see. What happens now? Oh, mamma leone! Mamma leone, tu sei un angelo! Mamma leone. Taratarere. Taratarere. Ba-da-ba-ba-ba. Ba-da-ba-ba-ba. Da-da-dee-da-da-da. Da-da-da-da-da. Da-da-da-da-da. Yeah, so this basically does exactly what we've done here. Okay. Okay. I just recreated this in my mind, which is good. So this is solved. We have random two letters. But I want to make random symbols and numbers, all three in the same password. This is unbelievable. I don't get it why I get none. I have a random password, but it's not good because randomly picks from the list, randomly picks choices. It is a shuffle password, but it's not what the user wants. If he wants 3 letters, 3 symbols, and 3 numbers, I have to display 3 random letters, numbers, and symbols. So we know that here we have random things. This makes my results show in order, letter, symbol, and numbers. It means that I have to work there with string result. Can I shuffle the string result? Yeah, this will give me the same thing. Dum dum da 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 da. It's crazy. Doesn't work like this. So append gives me append option gives with this input. I have to make I have to make it like this. Actually, let's try that and see if that's right. Let me see if this is right. Yeah, I have to give a attribute, string attribute to be appended, meaning that we have to change. We have to change this. All right, this is good. Let me see if I say here letter underscore list will equal with a random choice. Let's see what happens now. This is the thing. I resolved the problem in my mind, but I have a bit of trouble with these things. Like, I didn't know that when you use a pen, you have to use strings because otherwise it's a non-type. Okay, what is this? It gives me strings. Wait, what? Let me see this result. Yeah, it gives me 2. Let's see why. For each item in range of 0 and this letter list will equal with a random choice. Wait. Wait a second. So for each item in this range will give me the input from that. I have to go there in letters. Random choice from letters will give me a random letter. And I have to activate this by let me think. Okay. L and 7. I and 5. What? C and 5. So I have a letter and a number. Random choice from letters. Okay, I have the empty. So for this number, which will be the number of letters input. From 0 to the number of letters. it will run 2 times. B will equal A, which is a random letter. Why I get... Oh, brother. Why do I get 5? Jesus. Okay, very interesting. Okay, I print letter list. Okay, I will comment this. Actually, yeah, I'll comment that. Take this, paste it here, erase from. Okay, so these are just numbers. I get one from each. Low. One random from each. Because because hmm. Oh boy, let me erase everything. I know that's a for loop. Let me delete this as well, and this as well. I'll leave the final result. So we know that it's a for loop. So let's say for letter in range. Zero to the number of letters. Empty list plus equals random choice from letters. print empty list. Okay, it works. Let me think a bit. Okay. So for letter in the range of 0 to the input, add to the list a random choice from letters. Okay, let's do this for symbols and numbers. Okay, for symbol and for number. Let's say here number. Ooh, yeah, that's correct. And here symbols. Oh my symbols. We have random from symbols and numbers. Okay, let's print the list now. Okay, let me random dot shuffle the empty list. Why it's a non-type? It's a non-type again. It returns none. Like most methods that modify the list, simply do append. I've done that. Wait, I have an idea, I think. Yeah. Wait. The empty list. Let's create 4 item in empty list. Equals. Oh wow, really? Classify as a list. Then why I can't use shuffle? Random dot shuffle empty list. It's none. Shuffle. Random dot shuffle. Ho 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 ho. Guys, this is the solution. It's random shuffle the list, but No, dude, this is not complete. I mean, you can't say that. If it doesn't work, you can't say that. I need to fix it. So basically this solution does exactly what I've done with append. Okay, then I will do this. Check this out. I'll go for d.split. Let me see if this is the correct syntax. Split. Okay, name split. Okay, show me this. All right, I'll take that. I'll assign this. Maybe the E. I'll say it's equal with this. Then can you do this for E, which is a list? No, you cannot. If you check the type, it's a list. Why is doing this? I don't get it. Why is doing this? If this doesn't work, it has to be another way to resolve this. Because, as usual, when you code stuff, there is more than one solution to your problem. And I tried to think about another solution to resolve that. I am trying to think of another solution to resolve that. Okay, let's see. For example, let's write another for item in. Let's select the empty list. This targets each item in the list. Let's create an empty string, an empty list. Empty. And I will say there what if I say another list plus equals kills me. Guys, it kills me. This non-type kills me. This non-type kills me. Kills me. Kills me. Yeah, this should. Let me see. I never work with joins. Three, 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 three. It looks like it's doing what I have to do, so it looks like this works. I love the fact that it's only one line of code, which is extremely clean. The length of D random sample from D, the string, with the length of string. Oh yeah, but I can do the length. I can know the length of the string by accessing each item in the string. Oh man. Let me see. Random sample. Let me see if this work. Item for in empty list random dot sample population k and counts. What if I say, so for each one I say empty list random sample from the empty list. This is it, right? Let me see. Actually, I'll print. Let's make, I don't know. Okay. Right, let's see. It's missing line 32 here. It's missing the argument k. Random sample. I don't know what random sample does. I never work with random samples. I just try to figure out from here. So this does, as I said, does what I want. Gives me a random. Also, I don't know what's up with random spaces, because we have here two random spaces, 1 and 1. Is something about that random space with and this thing. I have to read. What's this? Okay, yup. Okay, yup. Actually, let me take this. Let me take that away. Yeah. Random. It is random, alright, but it's not. Okay, let me see. Maybe I see here something. There is a function shuffle in the random module. Note that it shuffles in place. So you first have to convert your string to a list of characters. Okay, check this out. D. Let's change D to a list. Random shuffle L, right? Okay. Let's see if this works. Print L. Wait, it's result. Nope. I mean, yeah, it worked. But this thing, I don't want that thing. Okay, let's see. Name 34. Random shuffle. Actually, let's leave result. And I'll say, boy. Yeah, actually, let's delete that. Let me see here. Will give me none. It's unbelievable, boys. This works. Anyway, guys, I have the answer with join. As I said, I never work with join. I have to check what's up. I ran out of ideas. I mean, everything that I learned so far, with everything that I've learned so far, I am here. I am really glad that I figured out another way for this one. So this is it gives me exactly the same output that I want. And it's exactly the same as with append. This adds to the list exactly like with append. But the thing is that it's not shuffling my list, even though I have a list. That is very weird to me, because I checked the type of the list and it's not reproducing my thing. Yeah, guys, so I have to ask about this problem, because I want to understand why it keeps showing me none. But yeah, with other solutions like join, that fixes my problem. Guys, until the next one, take care and have fun. Bye.